Sydney, check it out. I found Dad's gun.
Hmm?
I found Dad's gun.
Oh, really?
Look.
Okay.
Pretty cool, right?
And
I don't know. I thought it was pretty neat.
what are you gonna do with it?
I don't know. Scare people?
With a gun.
Bang!
Ah.
It's okay. The safety is on.
It is.
Yeah.
So I've got all these whites lined up, but I don't know how to get the rest of them. And I've been sitting here for like an hour.
Have you showered today?
I haven't left the house. I haven't had a reason to shower.
Maybe you should take a break from the Rubik's Cube.
Maybe you should put the gun away.
Here. Want to trade?
Okay. It's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, I know, right? Hey, be careful with that thing.
I'll be careful with that thing. Okay.
I'm done.
What?
I finished it.
You finished it. You just, in the past 4 seconds, you finished the Rubik's Cube just like that?
Yeah, I mean, it's just a Rubik's Cube.
It's just a Rubik's Cube? It's just...
Sydney.
I just spent so much time working on that stinking Rubik's Cube, and now you're telling me it's just a Rubik's Cube?
Sydney.